In front of me is Honor Magic 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by launching Devices Settings and scrolling to hit Sounds and Vibration. Then you can click on Sound next to Vibration. And this way disable Vibrate mode completely. If you wish to mute your device and leave only vibration, hit Vibration here. When you finish, scroll down, click on More Settings, click on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing, and this way enable or disable haptic feedback for your incoming calls. You can also use this switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable vibrations for key system controls and interactions. Go back, click on Phone Ringtone, and over here you can click on Vibration section for SIM 1 and SIM 2 in order to pick a perfect pattern or disable vibrations for this SIM card. You can also do exactly the same by tapping on Notification Tone for your notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!